Hello everyone, we are back with Season 2. In Season 2 we are focusing more on modeling and creating some interesting shapes. So we are focusing on Extrude in this task, and also we are going to focus on Extrude in tasks that are coming. So in front of us is drawing of a stand, completely defined. So on drawing is everything that we need in order to design this stand. So let's begin. Let's start this task with starting the sketch and picking the right plane. Line is automatically selected, so let's draw a horizontal line. And this is not a necessary step, but I want it to be symmetric in reference to the vertical axis. Length of this line should be 150. Next step is to create an arc. I can create an arc from the menu, or I can use a shortcut. In this case, I will use the shortcut and I will create roughly the arc. After that, I will add tangent constraint and I will add another line. Again, I will add constraint here. Define the radius of the arc. Length of this line should be also 150. And at the other end of the line should be another arc. Again, I'm just adding constraint, and at the end of an arc should be a horizontal line. Also constraint. Angle between these two lines should be 100 degrees, and radius of this arc should be also 40 millimeters. And now when left half is created, let's use mirror tool to create right half of the sketch. And last step for this sketch is to use offset. Exit the sketch and simply extrude the profile. Next step is creating a construction plane. So let's pick offset plane, select this face and click done. After that, I can simply click on this face and rotate it by 90 degrees. And next step is to create a sketch on this plane. So start a sketch. And first thing that I want to do is to create a line and create additional arc. But also I will create vertical construction line that I'm just going to use for mirroring after I'm done with left side of the profile. So here this must be constrained, also this side of the arc. And now let's define dimensions. Angle here should be 50 degrees. Length of this line should be 25. Length of this line should be 40. And this dimension should be 13. And with that, left side of the profile is fully defined. We are going to use mirror again. And with that, we have a profile that we will use to create that shape from the drawing. I'm just going to use extrude in both directions. Let me just hide this plane. And with this, the model is done. So I'll just show once again how you should submit your files, your screenshots. So just select the body. It should be just one body, and click measure. And here, volume must be visible because I'm comparing volume of our 3D model to the volume of your 3D model, and that is our verification method. Thank you very much for your participation. Don't miss the new challenge that is coming up today at 4 p.m.